Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. You're watching 412 PSC Kustomz here on YouTube. All right, guys, so today we're going to do a walk around of yet another install that we did for our massively loyal customer, Marucci and Gaffney. So these guys bought a brand new Ford F550 dump truck, and of course they wanted us to put some SoundOff mPowers on it. So I'll start around the back here, guys. Here's what we did. Technique dual purpose tail light, reverse light, 6x4 mPower amber white. Of course, our sticker again. Zaresco did the bed, the rugby bed. Again on this side, 4x6, or sorry, 2x6 mPower amber white technique combination light. It's a really nice, really nice dump truck here. All right, so then of course, as you saw in the beginning, our infamous mPower 6x2s here in the grill. Now these guys don't like us mounting to the grill. We did that on one truck and they weren't real fond of it, so I'm sure you've noticed that the majority of the builds since then have been just a simple L bracket hanging down, obviously strategically placed so that they're not pointing up or cocked at an angle. They're headed straight out. And then we did something a little bit different here. Instead of going up on the dump bed and putting lights, we decided to go with a 4-inch mPower in a window shroud on both sides here. Really nice, really simple, really clean.
You could save by making a move.
All right, so what we did here is, as we always do, we use their upfitter switches. We have front warning, rear warning, then we have the front work light override and the rear work light override. Let's go check out ye warning. Well, there you have the mPower 2x6, 6x2, however you want to say it, here in the back. Pretty good positioning, I think, where they're at. They also didn't want anything up high, like a light bar or a beacon on this or anything. I tried to talk them into a self-leveling bracket and a dual color beacon, but they decided they didn't want to go that route. I can only go so far back because we're in the shop here. And of course, there's my beauty. So, there's the front end. Got the grill lights. And then the mPower's in the windshield. For some reason, I think these aren't as bright because I don't have the engine running. Let me start this thing up. I don't know, for some reason they didn't seem to be full power. I'm gonna pause this real quick and walk back a little bit. It gets muddy and I don't want to do it without looking. All right, there you go. Now we're outside the shop. I think it turned out really nice with the window shroud. All right, let me show you what we did with the work lights. Now, obviously, since we started doing their upfits, they have gotten kind of spoiled with the white override. Now they expect it on all trucks because it's an awesome, awesome feature to have. Let's go check them out. All right, there you go. There you have the back. These are manual. I don't have these hooked up to the reverse lights at all. This is just a manual override for them if they need to see backing up or, you know, whatever. Tell you what, man, these 2x6s are insanely bright. And there you have the front work light. Thanks for stopping by the channel, folks. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like this one, smash that thumbs up button. It helps us out, lets us know we're doing something right. And if you haven't already, we ask that you subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so that you're notified every time there's an upload. We do a bunch of random stuff on here. Sometimes I do repair videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, be safe out there.